Hello, amazing friends. Welcome back to Indigo Tribe School of Learning's weekly read aloud. The title of today's story is Gary and the Great Inventors, written by Akura Marshall, illustrated by Adriel Meka. Hi, my name is Gary. That's my twin brother, Isaac, and our friends, Tamara and Dante. We go way back. We live in the great city of Washington, D.C., and there's lots of cool stuff to do here. We take pride in our city, and we're always looking for ways to make it better. Every Sunday, we take a trip to Mr. Baker's laundromat. He's a jolly old man who always smiles and gives us lots of treats. Honey, we need to go soon if we want to make it on time. That's my mother. She's a brainiac just like me. Okay, dear, I'm almost done. And that's my father. He's an engineer who makes all kinds of cool gadgets. Gary's father puts the clothes in the trunk, and his mother says, "Boys, it's time to go." They hop in the car and wave goodbye to their friends. When they arrive at Mr. Baker's shop, Gary spots a new sign in the window. I wonder what that means, Gary thinks to himself. "Why, hello, it's my favorite twins," says Mr. Baker. "Hello," says the twins. My, have you two grown since I last saw you?" says Mr. Baker. The boys smile at each other and say, "We just saw you last week, Mr. Baker. We haven't grown that much." Mr. Baker laughs as the boys enjoy their lollipops. Gary points at the sign in the window and says, "What is organic dry cleaning?" Mr. Baker smiles and says, "All curious minds, right this way." He signals for the boys to follow. As they walk into a dark room, Mr. Baker turns the light on. To Gary's surprise, he spots the biggest machine he has ever seen. "Cool," says Gary. Mr. Baker smiles and says, "This is a dry cleaning machine. It cleans delicate clothing that cannot go into a normal washer or dryer." While Gary and Isaac check out the machine, Mr. Baker pulls out an old wilted piece of paper and passes it to Gary. It reads, "Thomas Jennings, a reputable business owner, is the first African American to receive a United States patent for his dry scouring method. This ruling generates controversy." Gary stops and asks, "What is dry scouring, and why is it a controversy?" Mr. Baker smiles and says, "Young man, all of the answers are right before you. Keep reading." Gary smiles and reads on. "At this time in America, the U.S. Patent Act of 1793 states that any invention an enslaved person makes belongs to their owner. However, Mr. Jennings, born a free man in 1791, meets the requirements to obtain a patent, thus becoming the first African American to receive full rights for his invention, dry scouring. This method revolutionizes the cleaning process of delicate garments." Wow, Mr. Jennings' story is amazing. "I cannot believe his invention is so old, and we still use it today," says Gary. "Why, yes, and of course, there have been some upgrades along the way. However, Mr. Jennings and his blueprint will forever go down in our story," says Mr. Baker. The boys rush back to help load the laundry in the car and say goodbye to Mr. Baker. On the way home, Gary stares out the window and whispers, "One day, I'm going to be a great inventor, just like Mr. Jennings." Thank you, amazing friends, for stopping by. We hope you enjoyed today's read aloud, and we hope you come back for more. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.